And Ashley Matz in that 66 third points. He was a 2018 champion. He's got one heat win on the year.
As they're going to pick up speed. Here we go. For the wing women on wheels. They come. Green flag, and we're feature racing.
And it's the 18 of Shauna Myers out front of Ashley Matz. Watch out for Cassidy Frisch in that 32 car. Running it hard. It's not her own car, but it's definitely a winning car. Shauna Myers in that 18 with the lead.
Shauna having trouble earlier today during her heat race. Just kind of seemed a little squirrely there in the turns. Looked like so far she's got it figured out.
It's always a good thing when you dial it up and run it out. Cassidy Frisch in that 32 car working her way up, that points leader. Ashley Matz in that 66, the top three, but Shauna Myers trying to hold off Cassidy Frisch. Frisch is driving hard and low, using that inside. Still, it's Myers in the 18. Going high on turns 1 and 2. 66 of Ashley Matz, just watching those two, waiting for her opportunity.
Myers and Frisch look like they're pulling away from Ashley Matz. Better turn on the turbo so she can get caught up to him there, as we are halfway through this 8-lap feature.
Myers and Frisch now side by side along the backstretch into turns 3 and 4. Will Frisch on the inside take Myers? It looks like she can. Not yet. Myers still holding off Frisch. Matz in third.
Frisch with about a half a car lead over Myers right now. Oh, back there side by side again.
Coming off 3 and 4, it's going to be Frisch this time in the lead over Myers as they'll trade back and forth. Here comes Myers on the back stretch trying to add a little bit more juice. Her and Frisch side by side with 1 to go. Still, it's 18 cars, Shauna Myers.
Will she feel the pressure of Cassidy Frisch? Who's going to win this race? Shauna's pulling away a little bit. Here comes Cassidy. She's back. Coming around. Who's going to be our winner? Here we go. Who's it going to be? Shauna Myers.
Shauna Myers, that's her first win this year. She was second in points. Will definitely change after the win here tonight. Cassidy Frisch in second, Ashley Matz, your top three. But it's another Wisconsin driver here tonight out of Beloit, Wisconsin. And that 18M M3 Motorsports, currently second in the points. And her 5-year-old daughter sang the anthem not too long ago. Chevelle Frisch. All right, race fans, let's give it up for the number 18 car of Shauna Myers.